Hello everyone. Today we are going to see method of variable separable form to solve ODE of first order and first degree. So many times we know that we can reduce ODE of first order and first degree in the form of this dy by dx is equals to f of x upon g of y, or we can reduce that in the form dy by dx is equals to g of y upon f of x, where this f of x and g of y functions of x and y. Then it is convenient to write this g of y into d of y is equals to f of x into dx, or we can write this is as a, we can write this 1 upon g of y here into d of y is equals to 1 upon f of x into d of x, right? Now we can check that here we have x and y variables separated so that variable x appears on one side and variable y appears on other side. Such an equation is in variable separable form. Then to find the solution of this given ODE, we have to integrate this equation, this variable separable form on both sides. We will get here, this is integration of g of y with respect to y, then integration of f of x with respect to x, or we can write this as a integration of 1 upon g of y with respect to y, and integration of 1 upon f of x with respect to x. Integrating this equation by using rule of integrations, we will get required solution of given ODE. So such method is called method of separable form, right? So we have write down here given ODE in variable separable form. So we will try some examples here. Now here we have given one differential equation, we have to solve this. So what will we do here? We will separate this is here, we will write down dy on one side and dx on other side. So we will have this here. Yes. Now we can check that here. We can separate variable of x, functions of variable of x on one side and functions of y on another side. So here we have y variable, so we will write down this y terms here, and this we will shift this root of 1 upon x square on this side. So we will have this y, and this is here into dy. So we will write down this term, we will shift down this term here, root of 1 minus y square. Then on the other side we have x, and we can shift this term here, so we will have this is here, right? We have shift this root of 1 minus x square, so that get in denominator. Now we can check that yes, we have this is variable separable form, right? Yes, on one side we have got the variables of x, on another side we have variables of y. So now we can solve this integral. So how to solve this next here? We have to take integration on both sides. Yes, now we have to solve this integration. Yes, now we can check that here. We have in denominator we have term root of 1 minus y square, and numerator we have this is y. Yes, now we can check that here. We have y square derivative, that is twice y, right? So we can write this is here. We know 1 minus y square derivative, we can write this is as a what we have, this is twice y. Yes, and here also we can check. Here we have derivative of this root of 1 minus y x square, this is x, right? So we have the derivative of this function. Yes, so we have this result when we have this is f of x raised to n when we have function this f of x and we have its derivative present in this integral, so we have this result. We can write this is as f of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Yes, and this is integration constant. So we have to use this result here. We can check, we can adjust this function's derivative here. So we can write this 1 minus y square derivative. We have this is minus 2y, right? So we can adjust, we have to adjust minus 2 here. So we will write down minus 2. Yes. Then on this side we have this is minus x. So we have to adjust twice x, right? So already we have minus here, so we have to write this is 1 by 2 and this is yes. So next what we have to write, this is we have adjust derivative. Yes, now this is our function root of 1 minus y square, so we can write in this integration form. So when we take root of this is in numerator, we will have this is minus 1 by 2, right? Same here, when we write down this term, we will have this 1 minus x square, this is raised to minus 1 by 2. Yes, now we have to solve this here. Yes, so what is here? This is minus 1 by 2. We got this here. Then we have this is our function and this is its derivative. So what is result? We have to write f of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So here we have n is equals to minus 1 by 2. So we have to write this is, yes, here we have square. Okay, so 1 minus y square raised to this is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Same here we have to write, yes, this is function, then yes, this is integration constant c. Yes, now we have to write here, yes, we have to simplify this here. Yes, we can cancel out all this. So we will have here, this is minus 1 minus y square and this is, yes. So again we can check that here we have this is, we can shift this term here. Yes, this is equals to, so what we have here, by multiplication of minus we will have here, yes, and this is our required solution, right? So what we have to do, solve any ODE of first order and first degree, we have to check whether we can separate the variables or not. Then doing some manipulations, we have to separate the variables. Then that is required variable separable form. And to get the required solution, we have to integrate given equation. We have to integrate given equation on both sides. Then by using some standard results of integration, some formulas, by using some formulas, we have to solve the given equation to get the required solution. So this is required solution. In the same manner, we have to solve again one ODE. Yes, here we have to solve this, right? Now we can check that here we have to separate the variables and we can do here, yes, we can check here we have e raised to x minus y. So by rules of indices we can separate this. Yes, we can write down these terms here. Yes, now we have e raised to minus y in both terms, so we can write, we can take this common. So here we have, yes, Now we can check that we can shift this e raised to minus y on this side. So we will have this is right. And we have to write down terms of x here. Yes. Now we can check that we have variable separable form of given differential equation, right? So what we have to do, we have to integrate on both sides. Now, yes, we can find out the solution of, yes, this one e raised to y integration with respect to y. So here this is e raised to y, right? And e raised to x integration e raised to x. And this is x square integration. This is x cubed by 3. This is integration constant c. So yes, here we have. This is the required solution. So in this way we have find the solution. Yes. So what we have done here, first we have to try out for variable separable, then we have taken integration on both sides, right? Now in the same manner we have some examples here. We can check out here. We have this ODE of first order and first degree. Yes, we can check first example. We can separate out the variables here, right? Here we can also separate the variables. Yes, here by taking x common we will have, yes, again variable separable form. Yes, just we have tried this one. Yes, all these differential equations we can solve by variable separable form. Yes, so try out all these examples and find the answer of given ODE. Thank you.